following message is transmitted by a government official. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. Operative Ghost in the Machine is now in effect. At approximately 09 Eastern Standard Time, the electron has gone out. Over a year ago when destroyed, the corruption was destroyed as well. However, recently, the corruption was proven to not have been destroyed. It adapted. Individuals infected with the corruption blended into society, never showing signs that they were infected. Now, the corruption is on its way. Federal computers have been compromised. The world is being shut down as we speak. If you have radio, please tune into the following station.
Thank you.